Hi, my name is Samuel Graham. I'm President and CEO of GreenPath Energy Solutions. GreenPath was established in 2006. During this time period, we performed as a prime contractor or a subcontractor on over 200 projects totaling over $1 billion. These projects included airport terminal renovations, electrical and mechanical systems upgrade, energy auditing, retro commissioning and commissioning of buildings, as well as LED lighting and energy retrofits. We have 7 to 8 full-time employees. Also during this time period, we was looking at ways that we can scale and grow our company, and we felt it was difficult to scale a service company, so we started looking for a product that can complement our services. So about a year ago, we signed a license agreement with the Pacific Northwest Federal Laboratory to manufacture and market the Retro Commissioning Sensor Suitcase. The Retro Commissioning Sensor Suitcase is a portable toolkit with sensors that gather information about how a building operates and offers low-cost, low-risk approach to implementing retro commissioning in small commercial buildings. The technology streamlines and simplifies the retro commissioning process by enabling non-experts to identify energy-saving opportunities while keeping the cost of the service low. The objective of the suitcase is to enable retro commissioning in small buildings and to realize approximately 10% whole building savings while reducing implementation costs so that servicing this sector is cost-effective with an acceptable return on investment. Significant amounts of energy are wasted each year in commercial buildings due to inefficient operation of heating, cooling, and ventilation HVAC equipment. Research has shown commissioning and retro commissioning has proven to be a cost-effective means to achieve medium whole building energy saving of 16 to 20% annually. However, despite the benefits of retro commissioning, less than 1% of existing small buildings under 50,000 square feet are retro commissioning for energy savings each year due to 1, they typically do not have the budgets or the business economies to allow investing in improvements that retro commissioning provides. 2, they do not have in-house staff with expertise and buildings who can perform retro commissioning or identify energy saving opportunities. The need exists for a low-cost, comprehensive monitoring and performance evaluation tool to systematically identify problems with commercial HVAC equipment and to automatically generate low, no-cost recommendations to improve small buildings' operating costs, comfort, and energy performance. We have identified several primary target markets. These target markets include program managers at utility companies, program or project managers with ESCOs, retro commissioning providers and mechanical companies, project managers and owners of small commercial buildings, as well as municipal, university, schools, and hospitals, as well as the federal government through our existing GSA contract. The current state of development of the Retro Commissioning Sensor Suitcase is that we developed 3 prototypes that have been successfully tested in the field. The hardware provided sufficient data for the software analysis, and the software gave meaningful and reasonable results. As a result of this, we plan to incorporate some of the enhancements and modifications identified during the prototyping field testing. We plan to perform 1 additional field test on the commercial product unit to validate the robustness of the technology performance. We intend to move the suitcase from its current lab-developed proof-of-concept prototype to a market-ready, commercially available product. The potential savings for energy efficiency savings over the next 10 years in the U.S. commercial buildings is estimated to be nearly $1 trillion. Retro commissioning is documented to be one of the most cost-effective measures available to improve energy efficiency in commercial buildings. The retro commissioning market in the United States was $170 million in 2015 and was showing a 4% growth rate. The commissioning industry is forecast to mature from fewer than 2,000 commissioners at the present to more than 20,000 over the next 10 years. The portion of newly constructed buildings that are not commissioned range from 44 to 79%. This represents between 9 million to 56 million square feet of total uncommissioned floor area that is built each year. The retro commissioning sensor suitcase technology is targeted for buildings with floor space under 50,000 square feet, although it can be applied to larger facilities provided that they are served by packaged rooftop units. The data shows that there are just under 2 million commercial buildings in the U.S. in which this technology can be used. In total, these buildings comprise nearly 28 billion square feet of floor space. Therefore, the potential market for the sensor suitcase technology is estimated to be approximately 2 million buildings at the current time, and projections for commercial sectors show that total floor space increases 1% per year through 2040 on average. Our potential sales volume over the next 3 years is projected to be over $4 million per year with a 37% gross margin with profits averaging $450,000 per year. Our expected user base will consist of retro commissioner providers, ESCOs, large government agencies with small building portfolios, utility companies, as well as private enterprise, including the 200 plus private sector national account members of the Better Building Alliance. Thank you for viewing this presentation. We are so excited about this product, the Retro Commission Sensor Suitcase. We know it's going to have a tremendous impact on the way small commercial buildings operate and the energy savings they form. We look forward to doing business with you and working with you in the future. Thank you.